Hey, pay attention to me. Why aren't you paying attention to me? Pay attention to me. So when you're marketing online, you need to find every way possible to get more eyes to notice your content. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how you could take your text and make it either bold, italic, or strike through for your YouTube comments. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video to see a bonus way to use this tool. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan and I'm here to help you find the tools to build income online. You'll be able to use this to post with whatever kind of font you like. I just recommend that you use a font that's easy to read. Personally, if I come across a comment with some kind of weird bubbly font, I just read past it. But using a different font will draw more eyes to your post. But if they don't bother reading it, then what's the point? This is 𝐷𝐻𝑒xt.com. It's a very useful tool and it's completely free. So when you just go to 𝐷𝐻𝑒xt, it brings you up to this page where you just type in whatever text you want. You can say something like, awesome, love the video. So something like that. It's very simple. Then when you type it in, it gives you all of these different options on different fonts. Awesome, love it. You can have it strike through, different things. But then you just come, the one that I prefer the most is just standard, like bolded text. Bold. Right here. This is my favorite one, actually. So all you need to do is hit the copy button, or you could preview some of them, but just hit copy. And then you'd go over to YouTube, and you'd go over to the comments section, and when you paste it, and hit comment, it will come through in bold. As you can see, I did something similar with this comment above it. I bolded the text, and then it draws more attention so more people will click on my link. I know you're probably expecting something a little bit more complicated, but that's all it takes. Just type your text into 𝐷𝐻EXT, and then hit the little copy button once you find what font you want to copy it into, and then that's it. Just paste it in and hit post, and it will come through in bold. Whatever font, bold, whatever you want. And in case you were wondering what font I was saying I would never use, it would be something like this. Never use fonts like this. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but something like this, I can't even read that. And I see people using things like that all the time, or even these bubble fonts. It's really hard to read. And if I'm having trouble reading it, I guarantee somebody else is. So use something that somebody is going to easily be able to read. If you get value out of these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. And I hope that you could see how you could use this to draw more eyes to your comments. So I wanted to give you a quick bonus tip for something else that you could use 𝐷𝐻EXT for on your YouTube channel. So one of the other things that you could use 𝐷𝐻EXT for, it's not just comments. You could also add it into your description for your YouTube videos. I'm just gonna go to one of my videos that I've already posted. I'm gonna change a line of text to bold so you could see how it works. If I just go to the description, I could take, say for instance, this line right here. Copy it, paste it, go down to bold. That's the one that I want. Paste it in its place, and hit save. As you can see, this line is now bolded along with the other ones that I had already bolded before. And another little note, 𝐷𝐻EXT actually also works on Facebook. So if you were trying to find a way that you could get bold text or strike through or any kind of special characters on your Facebook posts, you could use this tool for that as well. So now you know how to add bold, italic, or strike throughs to your YouTube comments. And if you have your own YouTube channel, you could also add it to your description. If you like simple hacks like this, make sure to check out my hacks and tricks playlist. I'll put a link to it in my description as well as on the end card. Are you going to use this tool to add bold text to your YouTube comments and description? Do you use something else that you would recommend? Let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next one.